All right, welcome back to the frontier of autonomous wealth. Listen, if you've been following our explainers, you already know we're standing right at the edge of the absolute greatest wealth transfer in digital history. But today we're getting intensely practical. We're not just theorizing about the future anymore. We are literally building it right now.
I need you to hear this loud and clear, okay? Stop watching AI videos and start building. Here are 3 agents you can deploy in 10 minutes. Seriously, guys, execution over theory is the whole game today. It's time to roll up our sleeves and get to work.
So, the crucial point is, you absolutely do not need a computer science degree to jump into this massive digital shift. We are talking about zero coding required. Zilch. Nada. Thanks to these incredibly powerful, modern, no-code platforms, the technical barrier to entry has literally just vanished overnight. Now, in our last explainer, we talked about this massive transition heading straight toward the AI agent swarms of 2026. We've gone from just theory in 2024 straight into mass adoption, and now we're basically sprinting toward that swarm era. What does that mean for you today? It means you can deploy your own digital workers while you're just sitting there drinking your morning coffee. Okay, let's get right into the countdown. Okay, let's dive into this. Number 1, the deep dive researcher. This one is an absolute game changer. You know the saying, information is the new oil? Well, they hit the nail on the head. But mining it? That takes a ridiculous amount of human time and energy. It's just so tedious. Enter the research agent. This digital worker scours the entire internet 24/7 for specific trends, breaking news, critical market data, basically completely solving that huge bottleneck of manual research. So how does this actually work as a fully automated workflow? Using these incredible no-code builders, you just give the agent some really simple, direct instructions. Step 1, monitor your specific keywords. Step 2, read the top 50 articles every single morning. And step 3, compile all that scattered data into a clean, one-page executive summary. Guys, it's a literal superpower, and you can set it up in minutes. And here is the real-world application happening right this second. Digital creators are using this exact agent setup to run highly profitable daily newsletters. The best part? They are doing it with absolutely zero manual writing. None. The agent mines the data, synthesizes it, and basically just builds the entire core product for you. Moving on to number 2, the inbound lead generator. If you own a business or sell literally any kind of service online, pay very close attention to this one. Let's just face the facts here. Manual outreach is completely dead. The agonizing pain of sending cold messages, the endless copying and pasting, the tedious manual follow-ups, it's totally obsolete now. If you're still doing this yourself, you're just burning your most valuable asset, your time. And this brilliantly illustrates the crazy contrast here. On one side, you've got human manual outreach. It has limits, right? It sleeps, it takes weekends off, and eventually it's gonna ask for a raise. But on the other side, you have the AI sales representative. It is absolutely relentless. It works 24/7. It never sleeps, and it definitely never complains. This lead generation agent acts as your ultimate inbound sales rep. You deploy it directly on your website or right into your social media DMs. And no, it doesn't just sit there answering basic FAQs like those clunky old chatbots from 5 years ago. It actually actively qualifies your prospects. It asks them direct questions about their budget, and then it automatically books high-ticket clients straight in your calendar without you lifting a single finger. All right, the final one. Number 3, the autonomous trading agent. Listen, if you want the literal definition of passive income, this is it. Think about the intense, crazy anxiety of human trading, staring at crypto charts for hours, stressing over every tiny dip, making critical financial decisions based on raw emotion. It's exhausting and, let's be real, usually unprofitable. But AI trading, that operates purely on predefined algorithms and sophisticated AI market analysis. It's cold, calculated execution that completely removes human emotion from the whole equation. The mechanics behind this are actually surprisingly straightforward. The agent connects directly to your crypto exchange using simple API keys. By using specialized no-code platforms, absolutely anyone can deploy these sophisticated strategies. We're talking grid bots, DCA bots, in a matter of minutes. You really don't have to be some Wall Street quant to set this up anymore. And here is the absolute ultimate benefit: 24/7 execution. The AI is constantly analyzing the data, placing buy and sell orders, and capturing those sweet, sweet micro profits from market volatility while you are literally asleep. It instantly becomes the hardest working asset in your entire portfolio.
Okay, so here's the action plan. Deploy your AI swarm.
Look, the era of manual digital labor is officially over. Done. So I've got to challenge you with a serious question about your financial future right now. Are you going to remain a manual digital laborer, just grinding away, trading your precious hours for dollars? Or are you going to step up, take control, and become the CEO of your own AI swarm? Stop just watching the AI revolution happen around you and start profiting from it today.
To start building right now, download our free 2026 AI Agent Starter Kit and check the Trading Bot link in the description below. Subscribe for more autonomous wealth strategies.